Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. Okay, so as you can see, I've got these gorgeous poinsettias in front of me. I have been fussy cutting. These are from, Winter Wishes, and it's lots of rustling. These four build up a flower. You get 3 sheets in it. I don't know if you can buy it separately. I will have a look and see if I can link it. But I've already been fussy cutting, and then you get 4 normal ones that you can use anyway. You won't really, I mean, you don't really have to use them as, is it decoupage? I always get confused. So these are the single ones, the ones that are on their own. So I'm going to make a card, 5x7. I've already got my card base ready here, and I've already got my covering that I'm going to use. So this is just, I think this is from, it could either be from Festive Treasures, because I've been playing quite a lot with Festive Treasures. I'm not too sure if that video is up yet. I don't think it is. I think it's up later on. Or it could be from Winter Wishes. I can't remember. I've mixed them up a little bit. So I've got a sentiment which I've layered on some gold card and some like this colour card, greeny, and I've got a gold strip that I thought I would use, just like a peel off, so it's going to go across there. But first I need to make my flowers, my poinsettias. Right, let's start off with a big one. I don't know if I'm going to use all of them. Right, see if I can get it right. So I need cardboard, which I have got. And you don't have to use cardboard if you don't want to, but I am. So this card won't be going through the post, I don't think. Can't remember who this is for. I've made so many cards. So I'm just gonna cut a few little squares out. I'm just gonna put this dimension on the middle, in the middle of them. Right, okay, let's see. Okay, so big ones first, and I've watched a couple of Dawn's videos, and she says to look out for the small petal, which is here. Then it's this one, isn't it? So the small petal would be there. Is it there? I think so. Anywho, so let's get to sticking. That one. I think this is the way. This is the way. Sorry, I'm a big Star Wars fan. Mandalorian. So yeah, they've got a series on Disney at the moment. I watched the first one. Is it the Mandalorian, or is it the new Star Wars series? I don't know, I can't remember. Right, so we've got that one that one on. I think that's how it goes. And then we have the smaller one. Yes. So I'm gonna floof up the petals. That's why I'm just putting it in the middle. But I'll floof them up when got glue everywhere. When I come to give it to whoever it is I'm giving it to. One goes there. It's probably not going to be perfect, but what is? So that one, no, it's not sticking because I haven't put glue on it. Oh dear me, it's been a long morning. So it's been a long morning, I haven't really done anything. Sorry for the sniffling. I think I'm getting a cold. The weather's just been horrid. So it's been raining, then the sun's come out. It's been windy, then the sun's come out. Yeah. Let's not talk about the weather anymore. Right, so that is my first one. Like I said, I'm not sure if I'm going to get your words out. Going to use all like both of them on. Right, just going to put that there to dry. Right, okay, so oh, I need another little bit. Just use this little bit. Trying to cut my fingers off. All right, so it's this one. And these are just beautiful, these poinsettias. Very easy to cut out as well. She made it so that like around the edges of the flowers there is, it's thick, it's a thick black line. Right, let's try and find my little petal, which is there. So, goes like that. Get the other one. So yeah, very, very easy to cut out. I don't like fussy cutting. I really do not like fussy cutting at all. I didn't need another one, did I? No. But yeah, I found it quite easy cutting these out. I've left the white on these ones. I just think it looks prettier. Okay, so I get on there. Not lined up as good as what I liked it, but like I said, nothing's perfect. Okay, so that one, this last little petal, and you could break these up into like 2 bits, couldn't you? Yeah. Right, okay, so that is that done. I'm gonna hold it up. It'll do. Right, okay, so I'm gonna put them there. While they're drying, I'm gonna put my card together. Oh, I've also brought in these what are they called? Gems. Gold sparkly gems to go in the middle. I just thought they would look nice. I can't remember where I got them from. Yeah, I think they might have been gifted. Might have even been part of my giveaway. I'm not quite sure. Right, okay. Less waffling. Okay, make sure I've got my card the right way. I need some Christmas inserts as well. You know, the ones that you put on the inside of the card to thingy. Yeah, to get some, I think. And then this, I wanted to put this on first and then cut it. Never mind, we've got it here now. So I'm going to put glue on this bit, just down there. Okay, and then down there, get all that stuck down. So let's take a peel off, but if you haven't got peel offs, then you know, strips of card do exactly the same thing. Like so. Right, let's see if we can cut this off without cutting the card. Making a mess. That's cool. Cool, baby. Right, so we've got that there, and this is just going to be a simple card. So, and I want some of these as well, just in the background, I think, and then one of these gorgeous poinsettias. Maybe if I put that down there, put that there, like that. How's that look? I love the way that looks. I really, really do love the way that looks. Yes, that's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to stick this down first. So no more dimension on this card because I can't remember who it is for. And it says, from our house to your house. So let's put that up there. It's nice to pare back things every once in a while, isn't it? Instead of throwing everything at it, which is what I normally do. So that there, let's stick these down. So these are going to be flat. About there, try not to have it off the card too much, but it doesn't matter because the envelopes are bigger than the card, so you have a little bit of leeway. Leeway, is that the word? I don't think it is. Never mind. That one is going to go there. I was thinking about ribbon as well, but I think that's just too much. And then that one about there. And then we've got our decoupage one. So just a dollop in the middle. Like I said, I'm going to floof these petals up. Back there. There. Like so. Right, now for my, get them out the packet first. I can open the packet. There we go. Okay, so I'm going to put one here, one here, one here, one there. Because there's 4, I need another one, don't I? About one just here. And they are sticky, but I like to just use a little bit of glue just so I know that they're going to stick and not fall off. Oh, my finger's stuck. And that one. And the last one. In the middle, right there. That down slightly. And there we are. There we have it. There is my gorgeous card made with the beautiful poinsettias from Dawn's Winter Wishes kit. Beautiful. Like I said, I'm not too sure if you can buy these separately, but I will find out for you and I will link it. Oh, that's gorgeous. I love how simple it is. Yeah, I love that. I think I'm going to make another one the same, different background but the same. Not on this video. I think one's enough for now, because I have been busy and I've made a lot of cards because it's nearly Christmas. Are you excited? I'm a little bit excited. I get more and more excited the closer and closer Christmas gets. We haven't got Christmas tree out or anything yet because the front room, the living room, needs sorting. I've got nowhere to put my Christmas tree, basically. So yeah. Anyway, stop waffling. I'll let you get on with your day. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed watching, please give me a big thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think. Let me just get this. And if you are not already a subscriber, please consider subscribing, and I will see you in another video very soon. Bye bye for now.